Hello everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video tonight, seeing that Google has finally released the patch to enable Bluetooth on our Stadia controllers. I've been a fan of the gaming platform since it came out, and I was fortunate enough to get two of these controllers, and I've actually been having a lot of fun playing on Stadia, so I was quite disappointed when they announced it was going to be discontinued, but I'm quite a big fan of the ergonomics of these controllers. I know they're not everybody's favorite, but yeah, as I say, I've got two of them, and I think they're really good. So essentially what we're going to be doing tonight is enabling the Bluetooth mode on these, so we don't have to connect with a cable anymore. And I thought I would just run through the basic steps of how to do that. So first of all, we go to the Stadia website, and I will put this link in the description. And I haven't actually done this yet, so I wanted to do it firsthand to show you how easy it is. Essentially, we just click on the switch to Bluetooth mode. It's a permanent change, and once it's done, you can't connect to Stadia directly via the controller anymore. That has to be done via a USB cable. So just be sure that you're not going to be going back into Stadia anytime soon, but that's pretty much not going to be possible in the next couple days anyway. So alright, so let's try this out. I'm going to click on switch to Bluetooth mode. I've also got the camera pointed to the controller, so we see our options here: switch to Bluetooth mode, check mode and updates, check if the controller is in Bluetooth mode, if an update's available. Oh, that's good, so that means they're going to have some updates coming out for it. So switch to Bluetooth mode is what we're after. Switching is permanent. Click on start, accept the Google terms, whatever those might be. First, plug in your Stadia controller into the computer, which we've already done. So we say continue, allow Chrome to verify, and Stadia controller revision A. Click on it and connect. Alright, this seems quite easy so far. Chrome verified your Stadia controller. Go to the next step to unlock. Alright, next step. Unplug your controller and power it off. Okay, so let's do that. Let's unplug. Power it off. Hold the three-dot button while plugging in your controller. Press the voice A and Y. Wow, they really don't want you to do this by mistake. Okay, so those buttons are pressed. Let's see what is going on here. There won't be any controller feedback. Go to the next step and confirm that it's unlocked. Okay, we have a new SP Blank RT family set up and ready to go. Sounds interesting. Next step, allow Chrome to download. And we'll say, yeah, there you go, that's what it's called. Oh wow, so I wonder if we just flashed this thing's firmware. Interesting. Download complete. You're almost finished. Go to the final step and install the latest version of Bluetooth. Next step. Allow Chrome to install. Oh, USB composite device has now been detected. Connect. Let's see what's happening with the controller. Anything? Nope. Okay, so no lights so far. I know there's a white light and an orange light underneath the Stadia button, so it'd be interesting if there was a blue light. That would be quite cool. Orange, white. And what do we have here? The latest Bluetooth mode update is installed. Game on. Your controller is in Bluetooth mode and compare to Bluetooth devices. You can now plug in your controller. Okay, so it looks like we're pretty much done. Alright, let's see. The first time that you turn on your controller, it should enter pairing mode. Status light should flash orange. To enter the pairing mode manually, hold Y and Stadia buttons for 2 seconds. Once paired, the controller auto-connects to the last paired device when turned on. Alright, we're going to have a lot of fun with this now. Okay, I'm going to carry on to my next controller, and I hope you found this useful. If you have, give it a like. Be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be trying to make some more videos as the year progresses. We've got lots and lots of content planned for you guys. So yeah, be sure to tune in again, and thanks for watching.